All right, we see some signs of strength today in silver following a pullback to a 3-day low. But before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNES, the world's largest retail broker offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire taking a look at the daily chart for silver. So we have a couple things conflicting here in silver, and so it deserves to be watched closely around current price areas. First of all, there was a breakdown of this uptrend represented by this trend line down here back in December, and now this is a retracement to test that prior support as resistance. And the resistance is also represented by this downtrend line because it starts with a standard trend line, and this is the one, two, three, four time the line is being hit. That means a breakout through it could have some significant breakout to the upside. At the same time, we this area could retain support, a resistance, I'm sorry, and lead to a bearish continuation of this evolving A, B, C, D pattern or declining trend channel. So it's at a key level for that reason. A rally above last week's high of 30.98 is going to give a more convincing bullish signal. And then there's some other near-term potential resistance levels. But the key level that we're looking at is this swing high over here at 32.33, because a breakout, decisive breakout above last week's high could lead to a breakout above the C point right here, which is a lower swing high, and therefore would mark a bullish reversal from a more complex pattern, trend pattern reversal. And then we also have on the daily chart here, you could see the turn up recently of the purple 20 moving average following the breakout of this double bottom pattern. 1, 2 bottom, break out, pull back, test that zone of support, break out, hit resistance, pull back, test that previous resistance, become support. And you can see that buyers were enthusiastic enough to not wait for price to drop down to this obvious potential support area that is identified by this uptrend line, the purple 20 moving average, and the neckline of this double bottom pattern. So this is all pretty classic behavior. This shows strength, at least for today. That leaves us with the bullish signal on a rally above today's high of 30.63, or whatever that high ends up being. It'll be more convincing on a rally above Friday's high of 30.84, and more so on a rally above last week's high of 30.98. Of course, a decisive drop that keeps falling below this 29.89 price zone is going to be bearish and potentially signal the continuation of this bear channel. Okay, that is it for silver traders. Have a great week.